Welcome to Ramsey's Insight. We are all aware that food is fuel to the body. So, better the quality of fuel, better the functioning of our body. You must be wondering, what do I mean by better fuel? Well, it is nothing but a balanced diet. A diet that provides all of the nutrients our body requires in the right amount so that we stay healthy is called a balanced diet. It has a variety of food in required proportions and is essential for our overall health. The reason why I said variety is because we eat food to obtain nutrients and energy. Eating a wide range of different food gives our body the essential nutrients. The variety of foods in a balanced diet must be incorporated from the following groups: fruits, vegetables, grains, protein foods, and dairy. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with nutrients. They supply vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Local fruits and vegetables in season are fresher and provide more nutrients. Make sure to include colors and variety of them on your plate to obtain a full range of nutrients. They must make up half of your plate. Whole grains make up quarter of your plate with whole grains such as rice, wheat, barley, oats, and quinoa. Whole grains contain the entire grain kernel and tend to contain more fiber, which is needed for healthy digestion. Whole grains are important sources of many nutrients such as complex carbohydrates, dietary fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Refined grains have been milled to give grains a finer texture and improve their shelf life, but it also removes dietary fiber, iron, and many B vitamins. Remember, everything brown is not whole grain. Make sure to look for whole grain on the label. Protein should make up a quarter of your plate. Protein is required for healing wounds, building muscle, and many other vital functions. Plant-based sources of protein are lentils, beans, peas, nuts, seeds, and soy products. Animal sources of protein are seafood, poultry, fish, meat, and eggs. Tofu and tempeh are also excellent sources of proteins. Select a wide variety of protein foods to get more of the nutrients your body needs and for health benefits. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt are a vital source of calcium. Did you know cultured dairy food like yogurt contains probiotics which boost our immune system? Dairy group provides nutrients that are important for health and maintenance of our body. It does not include foods made from milk that have little calcium and a high fat content, such as cream cheese and sour cream. People who are lactose intolerant can opt for lactose-free products or soy-based sources of calcium. Recommendations for the dairy group based on age include a daily intake of 2 cups for 2 to 3 years old children, 2.5 cups for 4 to 8 years old, and 3 cups a day for those aged 9 years and older. Healthy fat. Choose healthy oils such as olive, sunflower, corn, peanut oils, and avoid partially hydrogenated oils that contain unhealthy trans fats. Always make sure to drink enough water and stay hydrated. There are certain foods which must be avoided or reduced. They include highly processed food, refined grains, food high in sugar and salt, processed meat, and trans fat. So make sure to fuel up your body with the right food, and remember that developing a healthy eating routine will surely benefit us in the long run, as it adds goodness to our life by making us healthy and strong day by day. Isn't it worth to bring about the small change for which our body will thank us? Thank you for watching.